Love Talk New York, it's your girl Nati, and I'm doing a special unboxing today. My friend Lauren Shaw sent me a little goodie box from Frankie Cosmetics, so I'm opening it to show you guys what it has. So I really do love the fact that, I did open it a little bit, but I didn't actually go through it because I wanted to show you guys exactly what it was. So it had a little note inside just asking me to try it out and enjoy the product, so I'm super excited. This is just so cute, like a special note just for you. This is just really cute. And then I really love the fact that they packaged it so neat and so detailed. So I'm gonna open it for you guys now and we'll see exactly what it has because I really don't know, so I'm excited. Oh my god, and honestly, if anybody knows me, they know that I love black everything. So the fact that the whole boxing situation is black is just obsessive. Okay, so, oh my god, I'm so excited. Shout out to my girl Lauren Shaw. Thank you so much for the goodies. Let's see what we have. We have two matte foundations. I hope it's a color that I can use. However, if for some reason it's not my shade, I'm just gonna use I'm gonna mix it with my own foundation and a little bit of this. So we have the Frankie Rose Matte Perfection Foundation in the color Cappuccino. I think this would probably fit me, although I'm a little more tan now just because of my vacation. I'm excited to use this. And then we have another Matte Perfection Foundation. Let's see what color this is, because actually I can probably mix both of them and it'll be probably my color. So this is Oatmeal Blend. I'm not sure. I'm gonna do a swatch for you guys and I'll show it on camera a little later, but I don't know. I think this Oatmeal Blend is way too light for me, but the Cappuccino might work, so we'll see. So that's exciting. And then here we have a concealer. You know, I currently use the Nars Concealer. I've been in between colors just because of my tan and because Sephora has recently run out of my favorite color and I don't know what's going on, and I needed a concealer to go to DR, and I got like another color from Nars, but I'm always down to try a new concealer. So this one is the color Chai, and this looks like a nice color. I don't know if it would, you know, fit my skin tone right now, but we're gonna try it later, and I'm probably gonna do another video on that. And then I think this is a lip gloss. Oh my god, so this color is exotic. This is like a mauve color, and I just love any nudes, and especially when they're kind of like pink nudie, because I don't like to wear super bright colors. I'm more of like a low-key kind of gal. So you guys know that usually nude matches pretty much with, you know, anything you're wearing, and it's just perfect even for like a low-key kind of night, or if you're going to work or whatever the case is. So I'm excited to use this. This is so freaking cute. I love this color. And then last but not least, we got a Contour Pro palette. Oh my god. So lately I haven't really been contouring with powder. I've actually been using the Fenty Beauty sticks, and you know, I've been using it for a while just because I'm comfortable with them. I like the way they just blend so well, and it just doesn't require a lot of work. I do find that when I use powder, it takes a little more time, but I am excited to use this Pro Contour palette from Frankie Rose. Oh, this is so cute. So we have here, they give you like a little tutorial on how to contour, so this is cute for people that are beginners because some people don't know how to contour, and they have these different shades. So this is great because it does have a banana powder, which I love for highlighting and also baking, so I'm excited. But this is such a great contour palette. I'm excited to use this. So these are all the goodies that I received from Frankie Rose. I'm super excited to start using them. Thank you so much, Lauren. I really appreciate it, girl. I feel like this was like a little birthday gift, so that was nice. And I'm probably gonna do a swatch for you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll definitely link all of the products onto the description box below. That way you guys can go check it out. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Love you. See you next time. Mwah.